Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world of ever-evolving mobility, the 2025 BMW X3 emerges as a striking blend of contemporary design and robust performance that captivates both car enthusiasts and general viewers alike. This dynamic SUV is defined by its balanced blend of luxury, technology, and practicality, and its standout elements include a refined powertrain, agile handling, and an interior that exudes sophistication while remaining eminently usable. Step by step, the exterior design of the X3 impresses from every angle. A meticulously sculpted front grille radiates the signature BMW kidney motif with commanding elegance, while slim LED headlamps integrate with chiseled lines and fluid body contours that suggest both athletic agility and refined luxury. Its raised stance, bold character lines, and subtle chrome accents contribute to an overall design that is as eye-catching as it is purposeful. The exterior pros lie in its balanced aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency, though some critics note that its modern styling might seem conservative to those seeking a more radical expression. Inside, the cabin and dashboard deliver an immersive environment where modern technology and premium comfort converge. A large, high-definition central touchscreen effortlessly controls navigation, infotainment, and vehicle settings, while a well-organized digital instrument cluster provides crisp, real-time data in a minimalist layout that underscores functionality. The use of soft-touch materials, supportive seating, and ambient lighting enhances the experience. Yet the reliance on digital interfaces over traditional controls might alienate purists in search of tactile feedback. Under the hood, the performance of the 2025 BMW X3 is both refined and exhilarating. A turbocharged engine delivers brisk acceleration and a satisfying top speed while preserving fuel efficiency and a stable driving dynamic on varied terrain. The handling benefits from precise steering and a well-tuned suspension, though enthusiasts should be mindful of higher maintenance costs on performance components and warranty limitations that occasionally temper its sporty promise. Market positioning places the X3 as a premium crossover priced to attract buyers aged 30 to 65 who value versatility and luxury. It stands in healthy competition with rivals such as the Audi Q5 and Mercedes GLC, delivering an engaging yet refined driving experience. Additional features, including advanced safety systems, bespoke accessory packages, and an attractive extended warranty option, further enhance its appeal for diverse lifestyles and requirements.